So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get free Blender models, the Blender 3D models online. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for free 3D models. You can see, and now just simply open this first website, which is free3d.com. Once you open it, and let's wait for the site to respond. When you scroll down here, you're gonna see this option, which is Blender models. When you click over there, now here you can see multiple free Blender models are available for you. You can see this one is free, this one is free, this one is free, and even this one is free. And there are multiple Blender models that you can directly download, open and use over your projects on Blender, and these all are totally free. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.